Hi, my name is Dr. Bhadresh Jangra. I am residing at South Mumbai. My age is 63 and I have visited this doctor for complete teeth implantation. I have come to the orifice and I have consulted Dr. Aniruddha for my dental implantation, the whole full mouth dental implantation. I had a lots of problem with the teeth. I have undergone two gum surgery also, but somehow now according to doctor I have to go for implantation. So I choose to come to the orifice and I am very happy with Dr. Aniruddha's consultation. So my regular dental has suggested to undergo the full mouth implant. So I choose this orifice for the same. I have seen lots of video and successful treatment and so many patients positive affirmations, and plus the price of the whole treatment is reasonable compared to the other centers which I visited. So I choose and met him and I am satisfied. See, I had a lots of problem with the denture, and one thing is that I used to get the bad breath. Then I used to get on and off gum bleeding, and I have lost 4 or 5 tooth because of the repeated infections. So my general dentist has suggested me to go for the denture, removable denture. But somehow the problem has increased and I have to end up with the implantation. Yeah, when I used to eat something hard, I was not able to masticate properly and I had lots of problems. Plus food used to stick in between the tooth and I have to do the floss and everything. It was a problem which on and off occurred. So ultimately I have to end up with lots of dental problems. Sometimes I used to get difficulty in speech because of my denture problem. Otherwise it's okay. But I had an issue of bad breath also. So I was feeling a little bit embarrassed in front of the public speaking and all this. Infection, gum bleeding, and loosening of the tooth, and hard bit kiya to problem. I used to get difficulty in masticating with something which is hard, and the food used to lodge in between the tooth. So I have to do the lots of cleaning of this. The main problem is the bad breath and gum bleeding and repeated infection of the tooth. The problem should be solved permanently, and I have come across this latest procedure, implant. So I have consulted and hope so it will solve my problem permanently. Yes. Ready for My name is Dr. Bhadresh Jangra. I stay at Grand Road, Nana Chowk, and I am a homeopathic practitioner. And my age is 62. See, I have consulted Dr. Aniruddha at Orifice Center and I have undergone the full mouth implant surgery. I was very much impressed by the doctor's work and I have seen lots of video and his dedication and hard working. So I was impressed by that and I have consulted him. There are lots of problems with the gum issue. I used to get gum bleeding, bad breath, and so many tooth I have lost because of that. And I used to get the on and off problem of the breathing problem, bad breath and all this. So ultimately I have decided to go for the whole mouth implant. So I have lost 4 or 5 tooth, and in recently last 6 months also 4 or 5 teeth were not that good condition. So I decided to remove all this and go for a whole mouth implant. In the beginning, doctor has taken first day 4 or 5 hours, but and then they have done the upper jaw surgery and next day the lower jaw. So surgery was smooth. Only thing I used to get the pain and doctor has tackled with the painkiller. So nothing much discomfort I For 5 days, I used to feel that loss of taste and headache, and because of the antibiotics, stomach problem. Otherwise, the procedure went very smooth. Thing is, the because of the no tooth, and the doctor has put 8 and 8 above and down, 16 implant. A few days I used to feel odd because of the implant, but afterwards everything smooth, no complication. Only thing, before implant I used to get the bad breath, gum bleeding, loosening of the tooth, and I used to feel discomfort while chewing. Yeah, and 4, 5 tooth were not of the good condition, so I used to feel awkward. Otherwise, fine. I used to eat regular food, but because of the tooth problem, I used not to enjoy the hard like chicky or ting dana or all this, and they used to get stuck in between the tooth. So I had to remove daily and do the flossing and all these things. So that was the problem. And because of the loosening of the teeth, I was not able to enjoy that food properly. I used to feel conscious because of my tooth issue, and I used to not face-to-face speaking was a problem. Somebody will notice my tooth, and I was conscious about the bad breath. Main thing is everything went smooth nicely. Now I will be able to get confidence because of all my teeth are now okay. So socially I should be confident now. So it will boost up my the confidence. It's a relief because now I am able to smile and face society also. And nice work done by the doctor. Doctor is very cooperative, and entire staff were also very good. So I am happy with. So though I remain far, I choose this center to come after seeing the entire teamwork is very nice. To tell frankly, on the very first meeting with the doctor, I felt very good. He was very friendly. He is very polite, and I think his dedication and the hard work, I was impressed. And he has given me the encouragement. Even though my issue was little bit higher, but he has tackled nicely, and I was very much impressed by his hard work and the cooperation he has given during the entire 8-10 sessions. So I'm very good, comfortable, and felt very good and comfortable. There were 2 doctors. They were helping Dr. Anirudh, 2 sisters, and they were very, very, very cooperative and nice. So I am very happy with the center. Those who are in need and who are afraid, so I will definitely recommend it is not to be afraid. It's a nice and gentle way doctor is doing. So I will definitely refer the patient to our office.
He had decided to do implant, and he knew better whether to do implant or some other treatment. But I was of very much opinion that we do it in South Mumbai because we had to travel a lot. But he decided that this doctor, he had a very good reviews and all. So he said that let's do over here only, and we came over here. But we are very much satisfied that we came over here. Though the traveling was a issue for us, but we are very much satisfied after the treatment, because the treatment that we got over here, the thing that he got done over here, it was very good. The doctor himself was so much patient and so much cooperative. He answered all our questions. I had a few questions which sounded very silly to me, and I asked him, but he very politely and very much with friendly nature, he answered all my questions. And the staff over here, we become a family over here, because after 8 to 10 visits, it was like a family. I just used to come and sit here, enjoy with them, talk with them, and it was really a good experience coming to here. And the doctor, the staff, the clinic, we are very much happy with it. And now I'm very happy with the results also, because now he also will be confident, because he was a bit taken aback when we used to face people and all, because of his bed bread, because of the teeth, few teeth were not there. and all. But now even he is feeling confident, even I am feeling confident that yeah, now this is the best place that we came across, and yeah, we would definitely suggest it to people that if you want to get implant, then get it over here only, because we had very good experience over here.